Let's look at how to use Workspaces to organize your files and find them more easily for access. So normally I have my drive filed in folders, and that will exist no matter what. Workspaces are an additional organizational tool that does not alter any of your file organization in folders. So if I choose priority, what I will see at the top are some key ideas, key documents that Google thinks I might want to work on. So I can ignore this top section, although it does put my most recent items right at the top. Down below that, I have what are called workspaces, and these are just groups of documents that might go together. One of the workspaces I created is my current projects, things I'm working on. I can quickly access them and don't have to leave lots of tabs open. So that way I can move from project to project without having to search in my drive each time. The nice thing about creating a workspace is once it's there, I can easily go to the three dots and I can remove the workspace if I no longer want it, and everything will remain in its original location. So let's create a new workspace and see what that looks like. So I'll go to Create, and let's say I want to create a workspace that keeps track of my meeting agendas. Now, in my drive, they might be in different folders based on the group that meeting belongs to, but I might want to keep all of my meeting agendas in one space so that I can access them for the week or the month or all year. So I might go ahead and do that, and I'll go ahead and create the workspace. And then I'll add files. Now, of course, Google's going to suggest files that I might want, but I don't want these. I'm going to go ahead and choose the files that I'm looking for. So you can search anywhere in your drive. I'm going to go ahead and just type in the word meeting if I know which meeting agendas I want to have together. So for example, I know that I have this upcoming meeting about Go Guardian. I might select that one. And I also want to include my tech service meetings. So I'll add those items. Google will continue to suggest other files, and they don't have to be documents. They can be any type of drive file that you want to put in there. And so if I am happy with that, I'll close it, or I can add more files as I continue to want to add. You can put up to 25 files inside this workspace. So now I can choose Done, and now that meeting agenda workspace exists here at the bottom. I can, at any point, take away one of these items. I can go ahead and remove it from the workspace if I need to. And remember that the nice thing about the workspace is that my meeting agenda will remain in the folder in which it belongs in my drive, but it's no longer something that I need in my meeting agenda. Perhaps the meeting's over. So that is how I use workspaces. So you access them, remember, moving from my drive, which is my folder setup. The priority tab or button will take me to my workspaces.